things you see out in the woods. That there's a 53-foot semi-trailer. I'm assuming he took a wrong turn. Yeah, I'm assuming he took a wrong turn because ain't nothing back that way. Well, he was going to turn around in that spot there, but that's too deep of a rut. But there's nothing up that way, buddy. Hopefully you can find a spot to get turned around there. Must have followed the blue line. Feel for you, buddy. Blue line has taken us on some wild goose chases before too. But if you can get up to the lava tube, you might be able to turn around in a parking lot up there. But it's very small. Well, somebody was going to try to turn around right there. Too steep of a ditch. So he's back there. Way back there. I think he might have found it. Where'd he go? There he is. I think he might have found a spot to turn around. He's over 4 miles off the interstate. We're at the 4-mile marker back here on this logging road. This is the road that he come down. Blue line, if he was following it, obviously took him down the wrong road. Because this road is not for 53-foot semi-trailer, box trailers. That's the road. Let me zoom back out. Yeah, this is the road. He brought a semi down, which logging trucks use this road. I don't know how long their trailers are. I wouldn't want to bring a van trailer down here. I'll give props to him. But yeah, he's probably a 1/4 mile down. So he's 4 1/4 miles. I hear him down there squeaking and squealing and making noises. You never know what you're going to see in the woods. Now he stopped again. Well, see how this plays out. Our semi has went down even further, I believe. Yep. He's down there past that schoolie now. Still trying to get turned around. To be honest though, when he turned onto this logging road to come back here, that should have told him something. Because it's this all the way back. From the frontage road on 40, it's this road all the way back. All the way back to Kendrick Mountain at least. That's as far as I've been back, it's Kendrick Mountain. He goes all the way back to Kendrick Mountain's 10 miles from here. He gets all the way back there, he might be able to turn around. But I think there's other openings on the way back to Kendrick Mountain, if I remember right. Like that he could possibly get turned around then. Honestly, though, I think he'd have been all right turning here. I don't know what he's hauling. It could be fragile, so maybe is the reason why he didn't use this spot here to turn around. But I think he could have done it. I used to move 53-foot semi-trailers, 50, sometimes 60 a night, if not more. Other nights, less. But I think he'd have been all right. He might have brushed up against that tree right there, but yeah, I think he'd have been all right. Well, he pulled his brake. I just heard the air. He's getting out to look. See if he's okay. Well, it's been almost an hour. I can hear the semi running down there. I heard his air brakes. Can't see him. He's down there somewhere. Still making progress. Slowly but surely, it sounds like. Comes our semi. He evidently got turned around. Bet you he's relieved. See no tree limbs or nothing hanging off of it. Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh, he's slowing down again. I don't think this is your delivery area, dude. I didn't order anything. Safe travels to you. Glad you got it out of here. Proud of you.